guys, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to the video. And in this video we are going to make a game. Like, it will be not a that high level game, it will be a somewhat program type game. This game is basically used to improve our skill and improve our logical thinking, right? So what will be the game about? So basically the game will how the game will process is our computer or our program will guess a number, right? And it will ask us to enter a number. Then it will match the both the predicted and our enter number. And if it is matching, then we are winner. If it is not matching, then we are losers. Okay. So, like for an example, if computer computer says I will choose 5 number, and user says I'll choose 3 number, then our program will say that user is loser. Okay. If the user says I will also choose 5, then computer says user is winner. Okay. So I think the basics are clear. Okay. Now we'll move on to our programming part. So first of all, we'll use our library or module called random. So we'll say import random. Okay. Uh, it is save and import random. Okay. So it is not random, it's random. Done. RNDO. IMPORT. Just a second. It's IMP. No. Import random. Okay. Now we will choose one variable, and what we will store into is, we'll say random dot rand it. Okay, RANDIND rand it. And from where? So 1 to 10. It will include 1 and 10 also. Now doing this much, we'll set one variable as 1, because we don't have to keep any dump value to our variable m. Then going further, we will ask our user. So we'll say user choice. Okay. And then we'll say input please please predict. Okay. In place of predict, we'll say choose a number between 1 to 10. Okay. So our user has to choose a number between 1 to 10 only, right? Now what we are going to do is, we are going to open a while loop. While loop, which will say m is less than equal to 1, right? So now what we'll do is, we'll just copy this. Okay, and then we'll paste it over here. Now going further, we have to print it, right? Print, we'll say the computer, computer computer as no the computer. Okay, so we'll say the computer guessed the number. Sorry, the computer guessed. Now what we have to do is, we have to add up some if else statements. So we'll say if n is equal to a, right? What it will do, that whatever computer has guessed and whatever the user has chosen, that both will be compared, and the outcome will be used to predict who will be the winner, right? Now we'll say if n is equal to a, so print u sorry so we'll say print u v. sorry, not in V, right? And a emoji. Okay, you can add something else. Added these, and then we will say break, because after getting the result we don't want more processing, so we'll just break it over here. Then we will go ahead and say else. We'll say else if n is not a. Okay, if n is not a or a is not n, both have to be correct, then what we'll say, print. Okay, we'll not say you lose, we'll say something better, like better next love next time. We'll say better love any next time. Okay, so it is looking good, and we'll add some more designs. Okay, we'll do designing part afterwards. And then our program is almost ready. We have to just close our loop. So I will say m plus is equal to 1. Right, so our program is almost ready. Okay, so I've done a silly mistake, like here I have to say user choice. Let me just redefine this as a. Now it is fine, now there will be no problem. Good. Then also here, am I missing something? No, I don't think so. Later on we'll come to know what we are missing, what we are not. Okay, so we are not missing anything, so we'll select number 6 and press enter. The computer gives the number 3 and it's a better luck next time. But you know, these all things are looking congested, like see, you don't know, so we'll design it, right? How we will design it? We'll use some space, we will use some uh, marks like is equal to hyphens, and using that we'll design. Okay, okay, so I have added some more lines, like I've just printed some like stars, hashtag and all things to look our make our program attractive and beautiful. So we'll run it. Okay, okay, here is an accelerated character line. Oh, here, why, why? Okay, so I found the error. So the error was just a small mistake over here. So yes, done. Now I will run it. Okay, so here you can see it will look somewhat better. Like I've added some hashtags to differentiate with the midnight, to give some space to our main lines. So I will choose number 9. Oh, sorry, not there. Over here. I'll say number 9. Okay, and then I will press enter. So after that you can see I will just give some space to everything. So the computer gives the number 7 and our number was 9. So you know, better luck next time, right? Now what I have to do is below this line I will add one more line, that the number which you guessed is this. So it will used or help to the user to identify that we are not cheated, right? So here I have done some mistake. Okay, I don't have to use this. Done, done, done. Now where? Okay, so over here I will copy this and I will just say the number 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 sorry, which you guessed. Okay, which you choose, double F you choose is A. Okay, so everything is fine. Now we will run again. We'll put it over up. Now I will choose number 5. Okay, so we can't choose more than 10. Okay, so we'll say number 5 and then press enter. Now you can see the computer guessed the number 4. The number we choose is 5. So definitely we are not the winners, and that's why there is better luck next time. So guys, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe.